Hey guys, what happened to McGregor Park? Why is it dead like this? In the heart of the city? Don't do that to McGregor. Ain't no uh basketball things up. The grass all high. Wow, this used to be the park. Come on, y'all. Don't let them do us like that. I know they stopped us a long time ago from being here, but come on now. Wow. You don't still play basketball up here? Yeah, everybody used to be up here. Everybody who made it to the top almost made it up here. Showing my respects to my book book Bernard. I'm really gonna miss you. We had some good times up here. Sorry for not being that person who cheer you on in your basketball. I apologize for that. But anyway, don't let them take it away, y'all. It belongs to everybody. Okay. All right. Signing off. Bye.